How are you going to go through this immigration process? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our offices in St. Louis, San Diego, and Washington, D.C. Today, I'm not talking so much about the intricacies of federal immigration law, but rather about your mindset, about what's going on in that big noggin of yours. What are you thinking about as you go through the immigration process? Now, I talk to a lot of immigrants every single day. You know, we have our Immigration Answers show where I'm answering people's immigration questions. And I talk to people all day long, and I get to hear how upset, how sad, how frustrated, and how angry they are. And I totally get it. Listen, nobody knows better than me and the people in our office of how badly people are treated by USCIS, by the National Visa Center, and by the State Department. We've seen processing times double, triple, quadruple, get longer and longer. People are waiting forever for their cases to get adjudicated, to get decided, to get finished, to be able to reunite with loved ones, to be able to establish their residency in the United States, to be able to get their citizenship. And we know that it's frustrating, and I get that. But you've got to be tougher than them. You've got to be smarter than them. You've got to work harder than them. And you've got to keep your mindset right. You got to know that at the end of the day, this case is going to be approved and that you're going to do everything you can, everything humanly possible to get your case moving, to get your case on file, to get your case processed as quickly and as successfully as possible. Listen, this is no easy cupcake trip down the easy street. You've got to be ready. It's not a battle. I'm not going to use warlike mentality or warlike language, but you do have to be tough. You have to be tough as you go through this process. You have to say to yourself, I am worth it. I am worthy of this. I deserve this immigration benefit. I have every right to be here. I've paid my immigration fees. I've submitted all the evidence. This case is very, very approvable, and I'm going to hold out and be strong all the way through. Now, one of the great things about being an immigration lawyer is you get to walk side by side with people as they go through that process, and you get to see how strong people are. You know, I've seen women waiting for their husbands to come. I've seen women waiting for their wives to come. I've seen men trying to bring their children to the United States, and it takes a lot of internal strength, to want to come to the United States, to do everything it takes to come to the United States, to succeed in the United States. I see immigrants every day just killing it in the United States, and that's in their personal lives, in their professional lives, in the contributions that they're making to this great country of ours. But at the end of the day, if you allow USCIS, or if you allow the National Visa Center, or if you allow the State Department to get you down, you're really going to make it hard on yourself, and you're going to have a really hard time going through this process. You have to have this little internal part of yourself that says, I'm not letting you in, and I'm not letting you win. I know my worth. I know that I deserve this benefit. I know that I'm going to become a citizen. I know I'm going to bring my wife here from France. This is going to happen. You can't have any doubt in your mind. And so if processing times get delayed a little bit longer, if they send back something that you sent to them and they said this isn't the right form or you didn't check this box, no worries. Hakuna Matata. You're ready to go. You're ready to go through it. You're ready to get it done. And I want you to have what Dr. Jason Selk calls a relentless solution focus. So if USCIS throws up a roadblock, if the State Department or the embassy says, nah, you've got to give us one more thing, then do it. Do it quickly, do it efficiently, do it correctly, and just never back down. Never give up, and never say to yourself, oh boy, wow, I just don't know if this is going to work. This is going to work. And that's the mentality that we have here at Hacking Immigration Law, that we fight for immigrants every day. We're going to get your case approved, or we're going to go down fighting. We're going to do everything humanly possible to get you the immigration benefit that you deserve, that you're asking for, and that you want. So hopefully this resonates with you. Hopefully this gets you psyched and positive and ready to go for this immigration process, because it's a long haul. It's a long haul, and it's much longer than it used to be, my sister or my brother. I'm telling you this. You've got to be tough. You got to be strong. And you've got to know at the end of the day that this case will be approved. And if you take that mindset, and if you do everything right, and if you listen to these videos and watch them and do everything that I tell you to do, you can put yourself in the best position possible to get your case approved. So with that, I wish you all the best. If you're looking for immigration lawyers that will work with you on your case, if you're looking to hire immigration lawyers to fight with you and to walk this journey with you, give us a call at 314-961-8200. That's the phone number for Hacking Immigration Law, LLC. You can also email us info@hackingimmigrationlaw.com. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group. It's called Immigrant Home. We have thousands and thousands of members now, and they're talking about immigration issues, immigration processing times, all the things that people are seeing on the ground as they wage this battle together. Finally, you know that we have our YouTube channel. Please be sure to subscribe, and that way you'll get updated whenever I make a new video like this one, and you'll also be some of the first people to know whenever we go live on our Immigration Answer Show, which is a show we do 2 or 3 or 4 times a week, and I answer as many of your immigration law-related questions as I can in 1 hour. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.